Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can add Facebook feed to your 3dcart website. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you will have it, you'll get on this site called Placeit. Placeit is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of the widgets they make is a Facebook feed. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is click sign up for free, and you want to sign with the Gmail, Facebook or normal mail. It's up to you. Now, when you have it, click login. Here in applications, you want to write Facebook feed. And just click Facebook feed, create a widget. And now you have options like medium, small widget, large. I recommend going with the medium, I like it most. Now, you just connect it to your Facebook. I'm not going to do that, this is just a tutorial. Connect with your Facebook page, then just click save. And right after you do it, you need to choose a plan. If you're starting out with your website, go with the light version. But if you're gonna have 5,000, 50,000, up to 5 million views, go with the basic, pro or enterprise. Let's copy the code. Okay, just do this what they tell you. If it appears, if you're watching it, if it appears, just do what they tell you here. Then just let's go back. And what you want to do is simple. Let's click plus and just add a spacer in our web editor and just paste the code and OK. And voila, this is how we do it. And this is how you can simply add your Facebook feed. Thank you very much. Have a great day and goodbye.